Uthandane Temple will be airing its last episode tonight. I am so sad. Now let's talk about Samke. Now guys, I cannot be the only one who's seeing a pregnant woman here. Of course, on last night's episode, she denied pregnancy. She said no, she's not pregnant. But you all do see this mkaba. I get soze umkaba around kanjena. Some gay babe, are we your children? Why udlalangati? Because you definitely do look pregnant. Sana uqinile lo mkhaba uyawubona and uround. My guess here, like I'm just guessing, is that probably some of the wives were not happy about how the first pregnancy was handled. Remember, Samke came with a surprise pregnancy test and surprised Umusa with her first pregnancy, and Musa was happy. He was like, oh, Ghana, I'm still fertile. Many people were questioning if I'm fertile or not. I'm very much happy that I'm still fertile, right? And right after that episode, they went and told Umamkulu about the pregnancy. I am guessing would see some of the wives, and being some of the wife, it's either Makumalo, Mangwabe, or Mayeni were not happy about how the first pregnancy was announced. So now they are trying to manage the second pregnancy and make sure that they don't announce it to us without maybe consulting them first, or I don't know. But guys, some girl looks pregnant. She looks pregnant. Now on today's episode, we will see that Mselegu and his wife, so they will go on a small get together. Now, I don't know why are they doing this to my Ethely Queen. Because Ethely Queen will definitely look detached. She will look like she does not even want to be there. She will not even be participating on the activity that they will be doing as a family. I saw them playing a pool. Mselegu, as usual, commenting negatively on Makumalo's outfit, saying Umakumalo uyampushuzela, meaning she is good as naked. Kesana. That time Makumalo is wearing amatracksuit. Like, Sana, what are you supposed to wear? This man, like, this woman is fully covered, okay? But not according to Umusa, she is not covered. Anyway, I hate what they're going to be doing to my Ethely Queen, because Ethely Queen shame Bantla will seem not interested in this activity. You remember, guys, on the last dinner, Umayeni expressed Uguti she does not want to go to the last dinner. And I feel like Ethely Queen should have done the same, you know, other than going and definitely not participating on the activities, looking completely bored. I'm like, Sana, Ethely Queen, I don't like this for you. You should have just stayed home. But anyway, they are going to be recapping about this season. And we will also get to see Umusa informing the wives, Uguti, Umpumelelo did go and pay Lobola. But guys, you know, Mpumelelo's Lobola situation is very tricky. Very tricky, because Umusa says, yeah, nawayegula at the time, so he was not really hands-on ngamalobolo kaMpumelelo. Umayeni disputes it and say, no, probably physically you were sick, but ingqondo yona yayisebenza nje wawugula enyameni, but not ngokwengqondo, so you should have informed me. But also, I understand why Umayeni ane engaka towards Umusa not informing her about amalobola, meant to say, because really, Umpumelelo, why is he getting an easy pass in all this? Okay, Umpumelelo shouldn't have been the one or tshela wakhe ukuthi lalela ma ngisayolobola. Like, why is Umpumelelo getting a free pass? Just like ngeke mayeni ngathi na usiqinisa kakhulu isandla kumseleku. But yeah, definitely one thing for sure, Umayeni is deeply hurt about Umpumelelo going to pay Lobola and no one informing her. Understandably so. And one thing also that Ubabake will try to say, Uguti, the other wives, Kosiami, must receive well, you guys, I don't like what you all have been doing. You know, you all seem like you're side eyeing your side. You are just really not getting along with Umacele these days, and please, I need all of us to get together, get along, and stop sidelining Umacele, which honestly I feel like if Vele he put it that way, the way that I just said it, stop sidelining Umacele. Honestly, I really want these wives to stop. The way uMangwabe came for Umacele yesterday, uthi nje uMusa Mseleku ave emsaba uMacele. Like, whenever we're talking about Umacele, Musa Mseleku will be shaking. Musa Mseleku will be on shake whenever Macele's name is mentioned. Uthi futhi abantu bakhabo Macele abanawo ama-boundaries. Every time mabaya lapha kwaMseleku benza kuze kweqe. They cross lines, they overdo. They have no boundaries whatsoever. And yeah, I feel like my queen, Mangwabe, you were definitely coming for Macele. Yey sana, what will Macele say now? Uzothini kaloku uMacele, after finding out ukuthi wena on the direct sections you were coming for her, but also bandla uMacele, one thing that we know about her ukuthi she's cowardly herself, uyigwala. She will never fetch straight to Umbali face to face ukuthi no Mbali, I did not like what you said about my family or what you said about ubabakhe ukuthi uyangisaba. Anyeka samlandi kanjalo, like face to face. If anything, uMacele naye will reply in the direct sections. But anyway, guys, this season was a completely mess. I hope when they come back for season 10, they would have healed, they will be better. This team, let's team yestimela bandla. Hey. Again, guys, in season 1, you guys, you were united, you were happy, we were enjoying watching such a happy family. Now, season 9, yeah, the division is really not nice, and really stop sidelining u-Ethel Queen bandla. U-Ethel Queen, u-happy no Ethel King. Like, really, there is no need to name side eye. Guys, how can I close off without talking about uMangwabe's statement that she made about her son? Which I'm like, okay, Mangwabe, you are doing well. Come and defend your son, babe. Come and defend your son. But the way now she made him out of love. It's like she's shading someone. I made him out of love, okay? And I'm like, Sana. But also Umusa's point, Uguti accepts his child, Umethuli, Samge's child. And Umusa also, probably Musa also made that child out of love as well. Sana, uSamke wazifaka ku mess yo. Yazi mess ile uSamke asifake kiyo. I'm sure baby girl we are regret right now ukuthi nje Sana, what was I doing? What was I thinking? Why nobody want me? Ukuthi ngizifaka kwenkulu mess. Samke, my girl, it's never too late, it's never too late. I don't know if you are already having 2 babies now, but it's still never too late, okay? You got this. Tina, we are out here cheering for you to be a single mother if needs to be, because this family is dramatic. Just because you are successful, we mustn't question your character because we have fans online who just gonna come for you. No ways. We have to question your character. You are very much wrong for refusing to accept Ugut Umakwela is your sister-in-law. Just to accept that. You are wrong for even feeling like Umusabe Umakwela shouldn't be involved in the first place. It's wrong because you were involved with Umusa now yourself. What else? Umusa kwakuyindoda eshadile yasendaweni, nawe uwasendaweni, umfazi wakhe uganile khona la endaweni. Like, it was just a very, very, very messy situation, and I really don't blame uMacele for leaving Umzumbe if that's the reason that made her to leave Umzumbe. Like, I don't blame it, okay? And of course, I'm not putting all this on Tobile's shoulders. No, definitely, it was not her fault. Why esheliwe naye njengoba uMakwela naye esheliwe. So as much as I'm blame uTobile for qoma indoda yasendaweni eshadile, because we like, it's fine, wawusheliwe nawe, oh ile ndoda Why manje kumele siblame uMakhwela? Why uMakhwela kumele simenze umuntu omubi? No, uMakhwela naye usheliwe wathanda. That is on that, okay? But yeah, guys, like kumesi on Uthando Nesithembu, and I do sometimes feel like the reason it's this messy is because of Musa. Like Umusa wenza izinto zibe messy within his house. And the things that he discusses with uMakhwela, wanting to have more children. Like, I don't know if he feels like it's appropriate to want to have more children with uMakhwela, considering that uMakhwela is not yet fully, or is not even accepted by all the other wives, all the other three except uMacele. And really, what is his plan, nguMakhwela? He just plans to just keep on having babies with her. That's because like uMakhwela at this point does not even have a place to stay with her children. On the other episode, we had uMakhwela does not have a car. So now uMakhwela must go to Texas with not one but two children. Like Umusa, selfish. Like I don't understand his reasoning behind this. But Kesana uMakhwela, I don't know whether should I say she's young or she's just naive. Like I don't know, guys. There is one thing about a woman in love, she will be naive. That's one thing for sure. So I do feel like uMakhwela is extremely naive at this point. But yeah, those who know love or those who have experienced love, they do say, it does make you naive, okay? It makes the fool out of you. It makes the fool out of you. So I'm like, probably uthando lolu luyahlanyisana lwenzana isilima nje, you can never know, you can never win with love. But yeah, I would be very disappointed if Makhwela were to agree to be impregnated by Umusa or to agree to carry another child by Umusa Mseleku. I would be heavily disappointed on uMakhwela, because I'll be like, njani ke ngoku? Why? This man definitely does not deserve to have children by you, or else you don't have a place to stay, you don't have a car, like you're supposed to be on Texas with his two children. This is bad. So Mzansi Magic has decided to bless us with an hour-long episode. At this point, I feel like Mzansi Magic does not want to end Uthando Nesithembu. Just stretches to December. Anyway, why is Lwandle's storyline featured on Uthando Nesithembu not saved for Izingane? Like, I am so bored with Lwandle's storyline. I'm just amazed at his girlfriend. Why is Lwandle's girlfriend keeping? Like, kwenzakala ntoni phaya eMzumbe, and her parents are actually fine with her cohabiting just because she's pregnant? Sana shocker. Anyway, on this week's episode, we get to see Umusa sitting with uMakhwela. He does ask for more children from uMakhwela. He says that, Sana Umusa, he says that just because uMakhwela is able to have children, he thinks that they should have more children because Makhwela is able, and I'm just like, Musa, do you have to use that statement though? He goes like, ngoba wena uyakhona ukwenza abantu asibayenze, and he's like, umuzi uqiniswa ngabantu. But I'm just like, statement sokuthi just because uMakhwela uyakhona ukwenza abantu. You do understand how dangerous that statement is? Because it seems like he's comparing. It seems like he's making a comparison with someone. It seems like he's implying what's khona ungakhoni, khona ungakhoni ukwenza abantu, and wena just because uyakhona ukwenza abantu asibenze. You get what I mean? And also, I'm failing to understand Musa's reasons, because like legit uMakhwela uhlala kubo. So at this point, Umusa is saying that he wants to have children or keep on having children with uMakhwela, as many as possible, whilst uMakhwela ehlala kubo. So uthi kahle abantu bakaKhwela aba-accommodate iy'ngane zabo, because now uMakhwela only had one bedroom in her home. You get? Now it's not only her, it's her and her child. You get what I mean? This means now the Khwela family have to build Makwela's child a bedroom as well. Now, akuseyona ingane yodwa esizohlala lapha kaKhwela, sezizobaningi, because here is uMusa asking uMakhwela to have more children. Like uMusa vele ucabanga kanjani, knowing very well ukuthi abafazi bakhe at this point abamfuni uMakhwela, and they are not willing to accept uMakhwela as of now. They are not willing at all. But yena uthi no ku right Makhwela, oh asiqhubeke sibe nezingane, abantu bakini, they will accommodate my children. Like I'm lost for uMusa, because akana plan. Like honestly, he does not have any plan towards uMakhwela, because guys, on just last episode we heard uMakhumalo saying, you know what, should uMakhwela move in eMzumbe, yena nje uzodiliza indlu yakhe, uzongena nogandaganda awisistezi sakhe siwe dililili. You know, this implies ukuthi really uMakhumalo did contribute some money in building her house in Mzumbe, you know. And also, it was alleged ukuthi uMusa wanted uMakhwela to move into Makhumalo's house eyasemzumbe, and uMakhumalo uthi nje, I'm not having it. So uMusa, in asking to have more children noMakhwela, I feel like he's selfish. Akamcabangeli nje kwayena uMakhwela. Sana Makhwela, ngicela ukuthi ungavume, because you cannot allow this man to impregnate you or keep on having children by this man, where else at the end of the day it's your family who have to accommodate those children, because this man is not willing. This man does not have a plan, and this man is broke above all. You know, he is broke. He wants one of his wives to finance him, you know, and which honestly, when it comes to that part, I've said this so many times, where people are like, I'm fighting with uMakhumalo. I'm not fighting with uMakhumalo. I have absolutely nothing against uMakhumalo. If she is refusing to finance Samke's life and Samke's children, she is within her rights. She works very hard for her money. She shouldn't be asked to finance someone else, you know. However, if she's just refusing to accept uSamke as her sister-in-law, and her reasons really, they don't make sense, because she went to a podcast, Engineer Your Life, and she talks about how uSamke should have never been involved with uMusa in the first place, because uSamke should have viewed uMusa as brother-in-law wakhe, you know, since brother-in-law wendawo. And I'm just like, Makhumalo, oh, bandla nawe waqoma indoda yasendaweni eshadile. And I do feel like honestly, I do feel one of the reasons why uMacele left Umzumbe and had her own house eSipag, it's because of Makhumalo's situation. Of course, I'm not blaming uMakhumalo here. I'm definitely blaming uMusa. But I do feel like it's because of that situation. Because, guys, it's one thing to find out your man is cheating on you. It's another to find out your man is actually cheating on you, because that's how uThobile was, okay? uMacele knew of uThobile, because uThobile was more like a neighbor to them, and knew this is a child, right? And then uThobile also knew of uMacele, or knew of uMusa, that uMusa is a married man, oganwe uMacele. But she did not have a problem, guys. No ways, guys. There is no way, okay? And uMacele at some point, she felt embarrassed, and I can understand her. Like, I can completely understand her why she felt embarrassed, because your man is legit embarrassing you. Chola next door, where Suyakanwa foods next door. You know, if uMacele was then be like, you know what, I can't stay in Mzumbe anymore. I need my own place away from whatever that you're doing. I understand her. I 100% understand her. Okay. But my point now is, years later, the same thing that uMacele experienced with uThobile, Thobile is now experiencing it with uMakhwela. But now it is this big, huge deal. Like, it's wrong in so many ways and in so many levels. And uThobile just does not want to accept it at all. And for me, I'm just like, Thobile, in no ways. Just because you are successful, we mustn't question your character, because we have fans online who just gonna come for you. No ways. We have to question your character. You are very much wrong for refusing to accept uMakhwela is your sister-in-law. Just to accept that. you are wrong for even feeling like Umusa Benomakwela shouldn't be involved in the first place. It's wrong because you were involved with Umusa now yourself. What else? Umusa kwakwindoda eshadile yasendaweni nawe uwasendaweni umfazi wakhe uganile khona la endaweni. Like, it was just a very, very, very messy situation, and I really don't blame uMacele for leaving Umzumbe if that's the reason that made her to leave Umzumbe. Like, I don't blame it, okay? And of course, I'm not putting all this on Thobile's shoulders. No, definitely it was not her fault. Why esheliwe naye njengoba uMakwela naye esheliwe. So as much as I'm blame uThobile for qoma indoda yasendaweni eshadile, because we like, it's fine wawusheliwe nawe, oh yile ndoda. Why manje kumele siblame uMakwela? Why uMakwela kumele simenze umuntu omubi? No, uMakwela naye usheliwe wathanda. That is on that, okay? But yeah, guys, like kumesi on uthando nesithembu, and I do sometimes feel like the reason it's this messy is because of Musa. Like Umusa wenza izinto zibe messy within his house. And the things that he discusses with Umakwela, wanting to have more children. Like, I don't know if he feels like it's appropriate to want to have more children with Umakwela, considering that Umakwela is not yet fully, or is not even accepted by all the other wives, all the other three except Umakwela. And really, what is his plan, Ngumakwela? He just plans to just keep on having babies with her. That's you know, because like Umakwela at this point does not even have a place to stay with her children. On the other episode, we heard Umakwela does not have a car. So now Umakwela must go to Texas with not one but two children. Like Umusa selfish. Like, I don't understand his reasoning behind this. But Kesana Umakwela, I don't know whether should I say she's young or she's just naive. Like, I don't know, guys. There is one thing about a woman in love, she will be naive. That's one thing for sure. So I do feel like Umakwela is extremely naive at this point. But yeah, those who know love, or those who have experienced love, they do say, it does make you naive, okay? It makes the fool out of you. It makes the fool out of you. So I'm like, probably uthando lolu luyahlanyisana lwenzana isilima nje, you know, you can never know, you can never win with love. But yeah, I would be very disappointed if Makwela were to agree to be impregnated by Umusa, or to agree to carry another child by Umusa Mseleku. I would be heavily disappointed on Umakwela, because I would be like, njani ke ngoku? Why? You know, this man definitely does not deserve to have children by you, or else you don't have a place to stay, you don't have a car. Like, you're supposed to be on Texas with his two children. This is bad.